Hello guys, so I'm gonna take one of these hula hoop rings and I'm going to spray paint them in black, and then after I spray paint it in black, I'm gonna cut it in the middle and halfway. Then after I cut it with a knife, which is pretty simple to do, I'm gonna take this frame that I got on time from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna take this long floral foam. So make sure to put a lot of hot glue all the way around it and then just attach it to the center like that. Then after that, I'm going to take my hula hoop and I'm going to place it inside on each side like that, and then just put some hot glue. So make sure to put the hot glue before you place it inside. Then I'm going to take this balloon stick and I'm going to place it in there just to measure to see how big I want it and where I want it to be. So then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. But I'm going to take another one because we're going to need two pieces to hold down the Minnie Mouse teddy bear. So after you cut it out, and it's the same, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to attach it to the floral foam like that. Then I'm going to take another one and do the same thing, attach it in the other side. And then I'm going to place the Minnie Mouse on top like that. You can also place it inside the dress and the skirt so it can hold it down, or you could just put one like that and tie it around to the stick. It's up to you. Then go ahead and grab your flower and attach it all the way around it, and make sure to put some hot glue to attach it into place better. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so cute that you guys can do at home. And the good things is that it's not that expensive, and you can do it for any party theme decoration. Just switch the Minnie Mouse to wherever thing you guys are doing, or switch the flower, and I think it looks great. Now for the next idea, because we got to do something else like always, I'm gonna take spray paint the hula hoops in gold this time, and then I'm gonna take some little branches and leaves and place it all the way around it like that. Just make sure to put it with a stick, with a toothpick, and then do the same thing for the flower. Just attach it with a toothpick all the way around it like that. And then after you attach all your flower, I'm gonna take one of these little long flower that comes like that in colors. They have different colors in Dollar Tree, and then you're just gonna go ahead and wrap it around. In here, to wrap it around, make sure you attach a little bit of the flowers with hot glue, because it's a little bit hard to attach it with a branch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take another little branch and I'm just gonna place it up to the middle. So I'm just gonna do it on one side in the middle. Then I'm gonna grab small flowers because I didn't like the gap in between, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it like that until I fill it up with cute little flowers. You can also put butterfly ears around them. I used this picture frame before. I'm just going to switch the color. I did this in the other video, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. Then I'm going to take the flower out, put a candle holder stick, attach it with hot glue around it, and then place it inside, and then just attach it. Just press it down so it can attach, and then go ahead and put some hot glue on top, and then attach the picture frame on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is the simpler way, just like that. If you don't want it to add the number of the table, and this is with the number of the table, you decide which one you would like to do. I think both of them are great. Please let me know down in the comment which one you like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please do not forget to share, like, and comment. And thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.